Welcome to Asharfa English.
Hello, is this Pizza Point?
Yes, ma'am. Pizza Point here.
Great. I'd like to order pizza.
Sure, go ahead.
I want home delivery, please.
Okay.
Can I have your name?
My name is Sarah.
Got it. What would you like?
First, what pizzas do you have?
We have classic, supreme, and stuffed.
Can you tell me the sizes?
Small, medium, large, and extra large.
Can you tell me the prices?
Sure. Small classic is $8, medium $11, and large $14.
What about supreme pizza?
Small supreme $10, medium $13, and large $16.
What's the size of medium?
It's 10 inches, serves 2 to 3 people.
What's in the supreme pizza?
Chicken, pepperoni, olives, cheese.
Sounds good. Is it spicy?
Mildly spicy. You can customize it.
Can I make it extra cheesy?
Absolutely. Extra cheese available.
What are other topping options?
We have jalapenos, corn, onions.
Any meat add-ons available?
Yes, grilled chicken, pepperoni, sausage.
Is there a vegetarian pizza?
Yes, our veggie delight is popular.
What crust options do you have?
Medium, pan crust, and cheese filled.
I'd like a medium supreme pizza.
Great choice. Which crust would you like?
I'll take cheese-filled crust.
Would you like any extra toppings?
Yes, please add jalapenos.
Noted. Any extra cheese?
Yes, double cheese, please.
Would you like any sides?
What sides do you offer?
Garlic bread, wings, nuggets, fries.
How much is the garlic bread?
It's $3 per portion.
Is it a large portion?
Yes, it serves 2 people.
All right, I'll take one.
Would you like cheese on that?
Yes, cheesy garlic bread, please.
Noted. Would you like a deal?
Oh, what deals are available?
We have a medium pizza combo.
What's in the combo?
Medium pizza, garlic bread, and drink for $14.
That's exactly what I'm ordering.
Perfect. It saves you $3.
Does that include cheese crust?
Cheese crust is not included. It's $2 extra.
Okay, add cheese crust and toppings.
Extra cheese and jalapenos added.
Awesome. I'll go with the deal.
Great. Anything else for you?
No, that's all for now.
May I confirm your address?
Yes, it's 200 Pine Road.
Got it. Delivery in 35 minutes.
Do you charge for delivery?
No, delivery is free.
Okay, that's great.
Would you like to pay online?
What payment options do you have?
Card and cash on delivery.
I'll pay cash on delivery.
All right, cash payment confirmed.
Can you repeat my order, please?
1 medium supreme combo deal. Cheese crust, extra cheese, jalapenos, cheesy garlic bread, and cold drink.
Perfect. Sounds right.
Anything else I can help with?
No, you've been very helpful.
Thank you, Miss Sarah. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. I'm excited already.
Welcome. Your order is on the way.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.